A Brisbane man is crediting surgeons at the Mater Hospital with saving his hand after it was severed in a workplace accident. Doctors performed rare microsurgery over 7 hours in a bid to reattach the hand and give him the best chance of being able to use it. A warning, this story contains some graphic images. Leonie Mello reports.
It's a small but significant gesture for Laurie Cooper.
Because I can feel it, like it's tingles.
2 months ago, he didn't know if he'd ever be able to wriggle his fingers again. He sliced off his right hand while working at a meat packing factory in Brisbane.
It's kind of crazy, pretty terrifying when you see your hand missing.
A quick-thinking colleague placed the severed hand in ice and applied a tourniquet. Mr Cooper was then rushed to the Mater Private Hospital where surgeons were waiting.
As Laurie was going off to sleep, I was with Laurie and his arm, and even Dr Andrew Hadge. Even at that stage, we had him on the back table dissecting out the hand, working out the structures, trying to identify them and how we're going to join them back together.
For the next 7 hours, they worked. Doctors first stabilising the bone, then working on tendons, veins and arteries to re-establish blood flow. It was a race against time.
Blood flow came, hand went pink, started bleeding, and then me and Andrew took a deep breath and thought, OK, now we've got some time.
We were pretty fortunate that, given the nature of the injury, it was a really clean-cut injury, almost a surgical incision.
Well, the doctors are used to reattaching severed fingers. Operating to restore an entire hand is rare. In fact, it was a first for both. The next day, the 23-year-old was able to move his fingers.
Not only have we managed to keep the hand alive, obviously that's the sort of main, aim, but also having it functioning, and having it functioning so well early was great.
Laurie Cooper still has a long way to go, but daily rehabilitation is going well. Though some things, like styling his mohawk, just can't be done with one hand.
Oh, I don't actually do it. My mum does it for me, so.
Leonie Mello, ABC News, Brisbane.